Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use the Substack on a device. Now if you don't know how to use the Substack on a device, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now Substack is a platform for reading, writing and subscribing to the newsletter, and here is how you can use it. Now to use it properly you need to simply watch the video till the very end and make sure that you have also installed the Substack app on a device. So if you have not installed, you need to open App Store or Play Store on a device to install it. After installing, you need to open the Substack app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you will not be able to use the Substack. Now to use it, you need to simply subscribe to the newsletter. So you may search for the topic by clicking on the option of search, and here you may search for the topic you like. So if you like the topic like techs and businesses, you may simply search here. So here you'll see the option of follow, and also if you want to get the news from this publication or this person, then you may click on the option of subscribe and you will be able to receive the news and all of it on the home page. Now you may also start own newsletter, so you may click on the option of the plus icon. You may also click on the plus icon at the home page, and here you will see the option of say to the feed, and you will see the option of new note. You may also add image to it, you may also add media, or you may also choose the photo from here. So by doing all of it, you may also start your own newsletter and you may post it to the Substack. And you may also manage a subscription by clicking on the option of profile at the very top right, and here you will see the number of subscription which you have done, and you may also unsubscribe them from here. So by doing all of it, that's how easily you can use the Substack on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.